In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable 5G Auto on your iPhone. This provides significantly faster download and upload speeds, allowing for smoother streaming, quicker app updates and more responsive online gaming. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. Head to this option of Mobile Services. On this page, select on Mobile Data Options. On Voice and Data, mark on 5G. This enhances network performance in crowded areas, supports improved call quality with video and enables new technologies like augmented reality and IoT integration. 5G future-proofs your iPhone for emerging applications and services that require faster, low-latency connections, offering a more efficient and seamless mobile experience. That's how easy it is to turn on 5G Auto Network on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.